Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Intercom for customer messaging automations step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Intercom account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option labeled API and webhooks. Click on API keys. Here, you will see a list of API keys. If you don't have one yet, click on Create API Key. Provide a name for your API key that reflects its purpose. Select the permissions you wish to grant for this key. Make sure to include permissions for messaging automations. After configuring the settings, click Save. Your new API key will now be displayed on the screen. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Next, open the application where you want to integrate Intercom. Locate the settings or integrations section of that application. Find the option to add or set up a new integration. Select Intercom from the list of available integrations. Paste your copied API key into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts as needed. Once completed, save your changes. Now, you should be successfully authorized with Intercom. You can start configuring your customer messaging automations. Test the integration to ensure it's working correctly. Monitor the functionality of your automations in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.